Hello everyone, my topic is choline. Choline is a heterocyclic compound. Heterocyclic means another name ring structure, and it is a cyclic compound that atoms of at least two different elements as members of its ring. Then it is parent macrocyclic related to the substituted derivative that is found in vitamin B12. Macrocycle macrocycle is then the molecule and ion containing a 12 or more membered ring. Its name reflects that it is core of vitamin B12 copolamines. Synonyms of vitamin B12: copolamine, extrinsic factor of Castrol, anti-pernicious anemia factor. Chemistry: vitamin B12 is water soluble, heat stable and red in color. It contains 4.35% copal by weight. 4 pyrrole rings coordinated with a copal atom is called as a choline ring. The choline ring has 4 pyrrole units like porphyrin. Two of the pyrrole units A and D are directly bound to each other, whereas the other two B and C are held by methane bridges. The groups, namely methyl acetamide and propionamide, are the substituents on the pyrrole rings. Copal present at the center of the choline ring is bonded to the 4 pyrrole nitrogens. Copal also holds dimethylbenzenimidazole DMB containing ribose 5-phosphate and amino isopropanol. A nitrogen atom dimethylbenzimidazole is linked to copal. The amide group of amino isopropanol binds with D ring of choline. The copal atom also possesses a sixth substituent group located above the plane of the choline ring. This is the structure of cyanocopalamin. This is the structure of vitamin B12, and all the forms of vitamin B12 are called copolamines because of the presence of copal atom. Different forms of copolamines include cyanocopalamin. It refers to the isolated form of vitamin B12 in which cyanide was added to promote crystallization of copolamine during the isolation process. Hydroxycopalamin. It was usually present in the tissues and in the naturally occurring forms of vitamin B12. Methylcopalamin. Methyl group replaces adenosyl group. Adenosylcopalamin, ADO-B12. When taken up by the cells, these groups are removed and deoxyadenosylcopalamin or ADO-B12 is formed. Metabolism. In the food, vitamin B12 is present as a complex with proteins. The free form of vitamin B12 is released by cooking, HCl present in gastric juice, and proteolysis by pepsin in the stomach. Mechanism. The absorbance of vitamin B12 requires intrinsic factor. Intrinsic factor is a glycoprotein protein secreted by partial cells of stomach. Vitamin B12 combines with intrinsic factor. The vitamin B12 intrinsic factor complex reaches the helium where it is absorbed. In the helium, the complex attaches to a specific receptor and is taken up by the mucosal cell. In the mucosal cell, vitamin B12 is released from its complex and reaches the portal circulation. Transport. In the portal blood, it is transported in combination with transcopalamin 2. Vitamin B12 is presented to cells where it is taken up by the cells through receptor mediated endocytosis. Storage. It is mainly stored in liver, leukocytes and gastric mucosa. It is stored as complex with transcopolamine 1 and 2. Biochemical functions. About 10 enzymes requiring vitamin B12 have been identified. Most of them are found in bacteria, mutase, ribonucleotide, reductase, etc. There are two reactions in mammals that dependent on vitamin B12. Synthesis of methionine from homocysteine. Methylcobalamine is essential for the conversion of homocysteine to methionine and formation of FH4 from methyl FH4. FH4 means tetrahydrofolic acid. Tetrahydrofolic acid for FH4. The reaction is catalyzed by homocysteine methyl transferase. Homocysteine gives methylcobalamine. It gives methionine. Thank you, friends.